Assalamualaikum. In today's video I will show you how to mock up this design picture inside a package using an online website. So let's get started. First of all, we will search for Mockup Bro on Google. Next, we will click on the first link that appear. Select packaging, close ad, select chips, back and mockup, upload photo, my design photo, uploaded, crop and continue. Background without background, download, show in folder, click to the open this mockup design. That's how we can use the Mockup Bro website to create mockup for visiting cards, notebook, billboards and more. So that's all for today video. Stay well everyone. Assalamualaikum.